Hi, welcome to the final video of this course. In this course, we have installed the required softwares and practiced first C program Hello World. We studied C basics, control statements, and we discussed some of the advanced concepts like functions, arrays, strings, structure and union, and pointers. Finally, we worked with data file. In this way, we have successfully completed the course C for beginners. But now what's next? It will help you score well in the exams and it will be very easy to learn other programming languages as other programming languages got their basic concepts from C. Thank you for watching these videos. Hope it was helpful to you. If you have any queries, you can write in the comments. If you want to learn Python from the basics, you can check out this playlist and many more courses to come. So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you will not miss any of the videos. One last time, keep learning, keep coding. See you.